The Shivanga sadhakas, they have to, come here and tie the black cloth on the tree. So guys, this is the Nannari juice. ये dustbin हम लोग अभी रखना है. How much are these, Anna?
One plate 50. This is the Sadhana Pada stall, Anna.
Okay.
We are promoting the safe soil movement.
Sadhgurus just come to the Adi Yogi. ये हम लोग का अन्नदानम का खाना है. So what games do you have? Could you tell me?
We are having archery.
Guys, अभी हम लोग भैया से मिले. आज पूरा चिपना हो गए पूरे. महाशिवरात्रि is the night to be. Hey guys, so finally, I'm at the center of the ashram, and today is Mahashivratri. So, I've been very excited for a long time. I've been here doing volunteering, and it's finally here. So today is my culmination. I've been doing the 40-day sadhana, the MSR sadhana, and have been volunteering here. So today is the culmination. So okay, so I'll be just showing you around the place a little bit, because inside the temple premises we are not allowed to shoot any videos. So it's just this part. So if you guys look here, so that's the Dhyana Linga, just at the foothills of the Velangiri mountains, the Velangiri hills. So that's the Velangiri hills on top. That's the Dhyana Linga. So here you have the Nandi. So beautiful. You guys must have seen Nandi, on the day of the Pradakshina. So that's for the Shivanga. The Shivanga sadhakas, they have to, come here and tie the black cloth on the tree. So they have to tie a long stretch, and then pay. They have to give, I think, whatever the bhiksha that they are collecting. And then that's the Dhyana Linga, and the Bhairavi temple is just behind that. So I've got my tag. I've just got my tag. Can you see? That's a tag, and in order to enter you also need the ID. Can you see? So we'll try to go outside, and I'll be just showing it to you, what other places you guys will be able to see. So if you go straight ahead, that's the Surya Kund over there. Okay, so here the Linga Bhairavi, the Chandrakunda, the Dhyana Linga. So the entry is from the left side, so it's always better if you guys can go from the left side. So the Linga Bhairavi, the Chandrakund, and the Dhyana Linga. So the Chandrakund is only for for women, and Dhyana Linga, anyone can go. Linga Bhairavi also. Okay. And the main ashrama side, it's over there, and we aren't allowed to go there. Okay. So they've got this amazing, they made a little bridge and a lotus pond. Can you see? Oh, they've got some fish also there. Some fish. People can come here, people can sit on the green grass. It's really nice, guys. Even on that side, they have the pond, lotus pond. So okay, so those are the pradakshinas, that they were having. So from here you guys have to go all the way up to the Surya Kund, so that's for the boys. That's it for the ashram. So I'll be taking you outside, and we'll be seeing what other stalls or whatever they have. Guys, so that's it for the ashram. So I'll be taking you outside, and we'll be seeing what other stalls or whatever they have. Okay, so this is the exit, guys. And that's the front of the Surya Kund. That's the front of the Surya Kund. Can you guys see? So this is the front part of the Surya Kund. and we'll just exit from here. And then they have this restaurant and you see so many people like all lined up. It's too crowded, guys. Today is Mahashivratri, so it's bound to be crowded. Okay, so this is the stall where you get the famous Nannari juice. So you have the Nannari juice over here. So this is just 10 rupees, guys. Just 10 rupees and you have the Nannari juice. Akka, my Nannari juice, Akka.
Nannari juice.
One Nannari juice. Huh? One. Thanks, Akka. It seems like we've got to wait for a few more seconds, and Akka is just giving us the Nannari. So it's all ready. Okay. Thank you, Akka. So guys, this is the Nannari juice. Can you see? You can see the Nannari seeds, I suppose. So I'll just be, like having the Nannari juice. It's really good, guys. Okay, so guys, so that's it. We've reached the Sarpa Vasal, so there is not much of it left. We just go straight ahead. That's the Sarpa Vasal. Okay guys, everything's complete. It's almost 4:30 and just look at the crowd, guys, Everything's complete. So as of now, the stalls that we saw earlier, I think all of them are closed. Maybe because like some of them might be inside, the Adiyogi statue premises. So over there, a lot of new stalls have opened. So let's just go there and find out. But for me, I think I've got a little bit of volunteering, so there is no chance of looking at the program at first. But of course, like when Sadhguruji is gonna come, we'll have our time and we'll be sitting there. तो गाइस अभी वॉलंटियरिंग देखो, ये डस्टबिन हम लोग अभी रखना है, तो ये कहाँ पे रखना है, कैसे करके डालना है, हर एक में डाल देना है क्या? सेपरेट करके। हाँ, सेपरेट करके। अच्छा, सेपरेट करके, ठीक है, चलो सेपरेट कर लेते हैं पहले ये वाला, तो इसको यहाँ पे रख देते हैं. So guys, first what you have to do, you have to unstack them and keep it separately, और ये जो डस्टबिन है उसके अंदर हम लोग को डालना पड़ेगा. है ना, आप एक बार डाल के दिखा दो. So this is you have to put it like this. Okay, so you have to turn it और इसको भी पूरा डालना है, और फिर you guys have to just put the clip. बस सही है. तो ऐसा करके गाइस सिमिलरली लाइक दैट we'll be stacking all these up. यहाँ पे भी एक है, कितना सारा रोज है, आप लोग देख लो. चलो चलिए आना. गाइस जस्ट लुक एट द क्राउड. कितने सारे. ओए एडी के कोटा लोग হবে. How many people will be in this part? 30,000.
By night it will be at least 20,000.
20-25,000 ऐसा है. अरे.
And as the night grows, it would become at least 50k on each side.
50k. Oh shit, guys, that's a lot. Oh my god. And this is just the basic one, right? एकदम like floating वाला है. ये वाला तो floating वाला है ना.
Exactly.
And register जो लोग register कर चुके हैं वो तो छोड़ ही दो.
Yeah, exactly. You can't count them.
Lots of people. देख सकते हो. अच्छा. So guys, like mostly we have to stay near the Annadanam stall and take care of the dustbins and change it when they are full. So उसी के पास हम लोग का maximum काम रहेगा. एक वहाँ पे उस तरफ है और सामने की तरफ भी एक और है ना. अच्छा, दोनों साइड के शुरू में और एंड में, ताकि लाइक सभी को खाना मिल सके. कौन सा? अच्छा, सदगुरु जी के साथ एक सेल्फी ले लेते हैं हम लोग.
प्लीज.
तो चलिए इनके साथ एक सेल्फी हम लोग एडिट कर लेंगे. एक तो ले लेते हैं. अच्छा, वहाँ पे. अच्छा ठीक है. अरे जियो आप पकड़ लो, मैं भी एक अपना ले लेते हैं।
सेल्फी कहाँ से लेंगे इसमें?
सेल्फी नहीं, वो हम बाद में निकल ठीक है, हक कर लेते हैं सत्तू जी को, ऐसे कर। So guys, there are so many stalls here. अरे अन्ना जियो, इसमें क्या है?
Garbage bags.
अरे सही, हम लोग को डाल दिए।
Vlogging.
हाँ
Hello,
सही है, देख लो ये भी अन्ना भी पहने हुए ए स्टिकर मेरे को भी चाहिए, कहाँ से मिलेगा अन्ना ये वाला?
तेरे को दिया था ना पूरा सीट, कहाँ गया?
वो मैं खीसे में थोड़ी लेके।
He also guest care volunteer.
अरे गेस्ट केयर वॉलंटियर, सही है अन्ना, बढ़िया। आप भी ग्रेस ऑफ योगा, बढ़िया अन्ना, सही है।
Let's go. We are late for.
चले, अरे
See you guys.
चलो मिल लेंगे, अभी तो मिल लेंगे, अभी तो रात बाकी, बात बाकी अभी भी।
नमस्कार।
चलो पार्टी चले আর দেখে নি কি স্টলস আছে এখানে। Okay, so they have all the food stalls here.
उसका फोटो भूल से मत लेना, कैमरा
Okay, so अच्छा they've got, I think that's मेदू वड़ा। Anna, what's the menu here? क्या है आपके मेन्यू में यहाँ पे? क्या क्या है? कॉफी वड़ा एंड
लेमन राइस,
फ्राइड डोसा भी है ना वहाँ पे? अरे
मसाला डोसा, चपाती।
सही है, तो that's so nice। पूरी वो सब भी है, चलो ओके गाइस, ये दो ओके, so that's the मसाला डोसा and the rice guys, अच्छा है, सब कुछ एकदम सही है। चलो, अरे नारियल भी तो
The most famous dish of drink of South India.
अच्छा,
Tamil Nadu, jigar thanda.
ये वाला जिगर ठंडा ट्राई करना है क्या?
I've already tasted it.
How's it?
It's brilliant.
हमें ट्राई करेंगे।
Yeah, why not?
इसमें क्या है? What is it? मिल्क है क्या? डेयरी प्रोडक्ट?
Yes, ice cream is mixed.
Oh ना, फिर नहीं खाएंगे। Guys, you know that I'm vegan, so I cannot try this. But अगर आप लोग आते हो, ये तमिलनाडु का एकदम फेमस वाला है जिगर ठंडा। Okay, so you've got some instant noodles here. Anna, what's that? What's that? How much are these, Anna? Akka?
One plate 50.
One plate 50, and that one?
One plate 20.
20. Okay. Akka, what's this? What's your stall about? Could you just tell me?
This is the Sadhana Pada stall, Anna.
Okay, Sadhana Pada.
And after so we have a quiz here. So if you do the quiz, you'll understand what you will get after you do Sadhana Pada.
Okay.
So is it balance? It is clarity or intensity?
Okay.
So that's the quiz.
So these two of my friends, they're going to be trying?
Yeah, they are going to be trying.
Okay.
So we are giving them set of scenarios.
Okay, so these are the scenarios,
Yeah.
right? Do
so
you
it is
have
like what
balance?
you will do most likely if you are stuck in these kind of scenarios. You have to
Okay, so these are the situations, and accordingly, they have to answer.
They have to answer.
Okay.
So then we'll understand what will they get after Sadhana Pada.
Okay, so Anna is going to check. So Anna, you're going to check for him, right?
Yes.
How to
Okay.
do your sadhana.
So let's see what he gets.
This is a 0, this is a -1, this is a 0, so you get a -1 here. See how much intensity you have. Oh, Anna,
If he,
you
Acha.
have a good intensity. I don't know if it is an intensity.
Look, so what does he have?
So right now, he has enough intensity,
That's
but
-1 balance he's got, right? So it means negative balance. Acha.
so you need sadhana pada, Anna. You have to come here then.
And clarity also negative, and intensity is neutral.
It's neutral. You actually
so no
have a
points,
highest of
basically
3.
no points.
You have a highest of 3 for
Okay.
intensity. Right now it's like you have
Be
it.
modest. So it's okay. So does he win a badge, Anna?
Huh?
Does he win a badge?
Not yet. He wins a brochure.
Okay, you win the brochure. Take your prize, Anna. Better luck next time. Like after Sadhana Pada, maybe after 6 or 7 months.
What you need is
Arey, wait, he got 2 badges. Wait, he got 2 badges.
Oh my god.
Show the badges. एक बार दिखा दो अन्ना.
I win
Hey,
the clarity.
सही है.
I win this clarity.
Clarity.
Okay, and give me that my balance.
Okay, balance. Nice.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so right now I'm in front of Potter, the soil myth store, and you know we'll go inside the store and have a look. So I've got here Akka. So Akka will be telling us about the store, right? So आप बोल दो. So पहले Akka, what's your name? Namaskaram. You're from where? Akka, I forgot.
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi, acha, great. So Akka, tell me about like whatever items you have or like whatever you guys are offering.
Okay, so basically we are promoting the safe soil movement and also the handmade pottery as a
regarding the pottery and the value of pottery.
Okay, so can you show me like what you guys are offering?
This is Buddha,
Buddha. And also tell me the prices also. So the Buddha is around 350, okay.
the Ganesha,
The Ganesha, that's
350.
350. The cups?
Yeah.
The cups are 80, I think, right?
80 rupees,
Okay,
yeah.
80.
This is 350 rupees puttu maker.
Puttu.
Yeah.
What's puttu, Akka?
Okay, it's a South Indian dish and we steam rices and they come in a cylindrical form.
Okay.
We eat it with, I guess, sambar, right?
Sambar. Rasam sambar.
We eat more rasam, dal. Okay.
Like the curry, the South Indian curries and all, right?
Please ask him.
Okay.
He's the potter.
Acha, Anna, he's a potter, he's making it.
Yeah, he's making the live pottery.
Oh, wait, I'll open my shoes.
Yeah.
That's Sadhguruji.
Yeah.
And okay, he's making the pots here. Arey, wow. Namaskaram, Anna. He's making a pot, oh my god. Guys, it's going to be one hell of a night, guys. An epic night. Just look at the crowd. Guys, just look at the people. They're sitting here. So this is just the floating bay, this is for free. So whenever people are coming here, they don't have to pay anything, Like you can come here, you can enjoy the show, you can have the free food, the Annadanam, and enjoy the show. It is just on a different level. And so they also have a big screen here where people can see. Guys, the Sadhguru's just come to the Adi
Last
Yogi.
year, Isha Foundation has reached out and offered 8.2 million people worldwide free yoga offers Surya Shakti in Tamil Nadu.
Guys, so he's
Join
here.
Sadhguru in taking this oath on this auspicious night to teach these tools of transformation to many people as you bring till the end until next Mahashivratri. This year, Isha Hatha Yoga teachers will offer free Upa Yoga tools in live online sessions.
Hey guys, so everyone just started to have Annadanam here. You can see there's a very big crowd over there. बहुत सारे लोग हैं अभी, like बहुत बड़ा line है. So there are just like rows and rows of people. You can see like everyone's eating and everyone's enjoying their meal. So okay, we'll just try to talk with someone. Okay, let's go there. Anna, you guys खा रहे हो सब अच्छे से? कैसा है खाना, कैसा है अन्नादानम का हम लोग का? ठीक है। आप लोग कहाँ से आए हो? उड़ीसा से। अरे बाप रे बाप, शिवरात्रि के लिए सिर्फ? अच्छा, सही है। तो फिर कल ही आप लोग क्या वापस चले जाओगे इसके बाद?
नहीं जाएंगे।
अच्छा, अभी यहीं पे रहना है, कोयम्बटूर में थोड़ा सा ट्रैवल करना है। तो ये हम लोग का अन्नादानम का खाना है। क्या क्या मिला है अन्ना आपको? खिचड़ी और वो वाला क्या मीठा है, क्या वो वाला? मीठा। सो इट्स लाइक वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
ना जाने नहीं।
सूजी की तरफ, हलवा की तरफ थोड़ा सा ना। तो यू गॉट अन्नादानम का चावल एंड वो हलवा। तो अच्छे से खाओ आप लोग, ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच। हैप्पी शिवरात्रि सभी को। ओके, सो guys, that was the people and like how they were feeling here. So ये तो सिर्फ शुरू हुआ है एंड हम लोग भी खाएंगे, हम लोग भी अन्नादानम खाएंगे। यहीं पे लाइन लगाना पड़ेगा। तो थोड़ा सा साधना बाकी है अभी, 8:30 बजे शायद से टेंपल खुल रहा है, तो वहाँ पे जाके हैव टू ऑफर। एंड टुडे इज़ द कल्मिनेशन फॉर द MSR, शिवरात्रि का कल्मिनेशन है मेरा आज। तो उसके बाद साधना करके खा लेंगे। तो चलिए कोई और मिलेगा, जो भी मिलेगा बात करेंगे सभी से। Hey guys, so right now Akash Stall's ready, so we'll have a look at what the games does Akash Stall have. So Akka, ahoy Akka. this is the cell. These are the games, right? So what games do you have? Could you tell me?
We're having archery.
Archery.
We're having darts also.
Okay, darts.
It's a cute little toys.
Okay, so are those the prizes?
Huh?
Are those the prizes?
All the prizes, a good feeling of supporting a good cause of the rural welfare.
That's perfect. Okay, so she's going to try the archery.
Okay.
She's going to hit it, and let's.
Oh, you did well. Well done.
Very well.
Push, push,
Very nice, very good. Guys, अभी हम लोग भैया से मिले। आज पूरा चिकना हो गए, पूरा एकदम मस्त लग रहा है। भैया को देख लो, तो कैसा लग रहा है भैया अभी आपको यहाँ पे आके?
Amazing. You all should come to and witness this Mahashivratri. It's a divine event. I wish that everybody comes and attends.
अरे thanks भैया, like आप तो मजे में हो, मुझे जो लग रहा है आप तो ऐसे ही like नहीं thanks है ना। तो फिर अभी आप यहीं पे हो ना?
Yes.
तो हम अपना काम खत्म करके आ रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो इसके बाद भैया रहेंगे यहाँ पे और हम लोग वापस भैया से बात करेंगे, ठीक है?
आज रात को पूरा डांस
पूरा तो डांस वांस करना है अभी।
इसका क्या? He is the guy.
अच्छा, ओके,
He
नमस्कार
looks
अमन्ना।
after the Shivanga and all.
Okay, you're taking care of the Shivanga party. You need anything, Anna? No,
He
you want
wants
to
to do
tell
a
me
vlog.
anything about Shivanga? You want to
No,
tell about
Sadhapada. He
Shivanga?
can tell about Sadhapada.
Tell people who want to come to Sadhana Pada. Now tell me.
It's a true vlog, man. Do it.
So hold on, like, what are if people want to come to Sadhana Pada? What should they expect or what should they do?
Guys, if you want to come to Sadhana Pada, it is the thing to do. It is the thing to do. You look at me, man, I was not like this. I am like this because of Sadhana Pada, because of the grace of Adi Yogi. I hope it brings happiness and well-being to you all, guys. Come to Sadhana Pada.
Thank you so much.
Mahashivratri is the night to be. At Isha Yoga Center, you cannot be anywhere else. You cannot experience anywhere else on this planet. You have to be here once.
Jai Sadhguru, Har Har Mahadev.
Where are you from, Anna? Which state?
I am from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh.
Anna, you?
Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh.
Akka?
Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Great. Thank you so much. Guys, so finally we found the place where MSR volunteers are going to sit. So I think this is a very nice place, you know. So this is the MSR volunteer section. So this is the central podium. And straight to Adi. আরে ভেতরে তুমি কি করে ঢুকলে গো এখানে?
এখানে আজকে আমার দায়িত্ব ছিল
আচ্ছা, কিসের এটা? কি করছো?
ক্যাম্প ফায়ার লাইট নিয়ে।
আরে এটা বিশাল তো, একদম সাবধানে সামনে।
আরে কতটা কপাল করেছে দেখছো?
হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই।
কপাল করেছিল ডাইরেক্ট এন্ট্রি একদম। আমরা
বিশাল।
কোথায় ওদিক থেকে এদিক থেকে আজ ছেড়ে ফেলে পালিয়ে এসেছি এদিকে। যা হচ্ছে হোক ওদিকে।
ঠিক।
কতদূর ওদিকে।
চালিয়ে যাও, বিশাল। চলো, টাটা। Guys, so finally the Mahashivratri program is over, and now we are going back to the ashram. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and and I think maybe tomorrow I'll be going back to my home, like to my hometown. So I'll be seeing you guys soon. So stay tuned and stay safe, everyone. Inshallah. One final look at that here. तो भाई साहब अभी जा रहे हैं हम और भैया प्लेन को देख ही रहा है. तो भैया थोड़ा बोल दो इनको कि सब्सक्राइब कर दे मेरा चैनल को.
Please subscribe this guy. Very interesting guy and has a lot of new stories. You must subscribe.
सुन लो भैया का बात.
Want good stories?
टोपी खुल गया. बोलो.
अगर आपको अच्छी you want good stories, you must subscribe.
Thank you भैया. So sweet.